Hi, I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network. You're watching Alternative Lending Top Originator Strategies. Today we're going to meet with Jeff Miller, who's the broker of record for a Truss Financial Group. We're going to hear his strategy on how he's been saying yes to more borrowers. But first, a message from our sponsor.
Thanks, Andrew. I'm Tom Hutchins, Senior Vice President with Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions. We're excited to bring you today's show, Top Originator Strategies. If you want to grow, listen to what today's guest tells Andrew and see how you can incorporate that into your business. And stay tuned. After the show, I'm going to tell you why top originators across the country choose to do business with Angel Oak. Back to you, Andrew.
Thanks, Tom. Hey, Jeff, thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate it. So listen, I want to get right into this. Tell us, how did you first get involved in alternative lending?
Well, basically, the old rule of economics is supply and demand. I've been in the business for about 17 years. And had a lot of clients over the last 7 or 8 years that we've had to say no to, and just kind of got tired of saying no. So I spent a little time digging around and trying to find what was available, what was out there. Started, applying to some of the different lenders that were offering some of this creative financing, they used to call it, but really it's just non-traditional lending. And so that's really it. You don't want to spend all your days telling people no. So got tired of that, and that's how it came about.
So Jeff, listen, they say actually that the non-QM alternative lending products are difficult to do. Do you find that the case?
No, it's all about being partnered with the right lender, and that lender having just a great process that puts everything up front. Right. In my experience, I started doing these types of loans about 1.5 years, 2 years ago, almost, and they were fairly new back to the market. And a lot of the lenders just didn't know what they were doing. They didn't have written guidelines about it. They would have little matrix, almost like advertisement sheets, and that's about as much as they knew. And so, we spent about a year of just agony and misery trying to figure out how to get these loans done, putting them in the lender's hands that couldn't get them done. We were probably averaging about a 40-50% fallout rate. I mean, it was really high. Wow. It was embarrassing, really hard on clients, but really hard on us because a lot of our business is referral-based business. And so it starts to really hurt your credibility. But you learn from the process. You realize that you just can't work with those people. You have to work with the right people, and get into a place or with a lender that will put everything up front for you, do a lot of the work on after the initial application, and not wait until the very end of the process. And that's really the key to it all, in my opinion.
So listen, I know you do a ton of business with Angel Oak. If you can talk to us a little bit about how Angel Oak has helped you with their customer service levels and help you put more of these borrowers into homes.
My experience with Angel Oaks has been phenomenal. They actually kind of revitalized my energy and effort in doing these types of loans. I was kind of on the ropes, to be honest. I was about to just put up the rule, hey, we are not doing these types of loans. I couldn't stand the embarrassment of calling clients after 2 and 3 weeks and having to, tell them, oh, sorry, we have 4 new conditions that the investor wants to see, or, that type of property no longer qualifies. Things like that you just can't even imagine they would come back with. And with Angel Oaks, they don't do that. In general, we spend a few extra days on the front end. So instead of having your, DU automated underwriting engine that just says, okay, this loan looks good, plug it in and go. With Angel Oaks, it's a little, with these types of loans, not Angel Oaks, we have to take a lot more documentation up front. They have to screen through it. It takes us 3 or 4 days at the beginning to really dial in the disclosures, dial in the pricing, dial in the underwriting approval. But from that point forward, I've closed loans in like 21 days with them. Under 30 is no problem at all. And there aren't a lot of non-QM lenders that can say that. I know that for a fact.
That is awesome. Fantastic. Well, listen, Jeff, I really appreciate you sharing your story with us and, you know, how you got tired of telling people no, and that's why you started using these products. Thank you so much for joining us, Jeff.
Not a problem. Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Now, I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
If you want to grow your business, get into alternative lending today and help more consumers become homeowners. Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions is the largest non-QM lender in the country. If you've done business with us, you know why. We brought back responsible, common sense lending designed to help those borrowers that others can't. Your success depends on how many homeowners you serve. So call us today and find out how you can grow your business with Angel Oak. Check us out online at angeloakms.com. That's angeloakms.com.
This is Mortgage News Network.